Hey guys, today I will be unboxing the Sbode M400 Bluetooth speaker. Alright, well let's open this bad boy up, see what it looks like. Oh, the seal has been broken. Here she is. Isn't she a beaut? Right there. You can see different versions of it on the box here. And this is the rear panel. Okay. Now let's break this seal. Alright. Thumbs up. Get out of the box. Let's see if there's any paperwork before we continue. Yeah, and there is. Right. We get here the line out cable right here, and then the USB cable for charging right here. Then it's asking you some questions. You're not happy? You happy? I don't know right now. We'll find out later. Then you have your instructions manual right here. Tells what everything is about. Okay. Now, this unit, let me get it in the shot, is waterproof. It has enhanced bass. And it has what they call a TWS function. This is what this is. This lights up when you do that. This is the button for the TWS function. What they call it, true wireless stereo, where you have two of these speakers that link together to provide stereo surround sound. That's what that's for. It also has a TF card or micro SD card, auto off. It has FM radio, and it supposedly has 8 hours battery life. You know, that's what I've been told. Then you have your little string here, you can hold it. Now let's see if I can find here it is. This is where the little memory card slot is, right here. And this is the line out connection for your line out cable, and then your USB cable is a mic. Looks like a micro USB cable for charging right here, and this little dot right here is for the microphone. You can use it, you know, for your calls when you're making calls, whatever. And it's waterproof, so I'm guessing this completely seals so the water doesn't get in the slot, because it says it's waterproof. And then onto the main buttons: play, pause, Bluetooth, answer your phone, power, volume up, volume down, and then the TSW function that I went over before. I like the cylinder speakers, because the way they're designed, they push the sound out and it makes it louder. Even if they use smaller speakers, it'll make it louder because of the way it channels the sound. So I like these designs. I always get the cylinder speaker designs. They're much louder than the regular speakers, just the way they designed it for the sound effect. Okay, now let's see if it has any power. I'm gonna put SD card in there to see if it has any power. because I'm not sure if it has any power, if it's been charged, but I'll test it real quick. I didn't know it was so hard to put a C card in here. Difficult. There we go. Don't have any fingernails. All right, let's see.
Power on. Bluetooth mode.
All right, it has power, guys. Let's try this again. It's still in Bluetooth mode. All right, let's try it again.
Memory card mode.
Come on. There we go. And you guys can hear that. The music comes out of down here and it comes out down here. But like I say, it pushes the sound out. Pushes right up through the cylinder. So this is where the sound's coming from. Okay? And they're also using the volume up and volume down as the skip track function, move forward or backwards. I don't really like that, but you know, that's how they designed it. So far, that's one of the only things I don't like. And if you want to increase or decrease volume, you have to hold the button down. Okay guys, that was the unboxing and a little demo of the Sbode M400 portable Bluetooth speaker. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and as always guys, thank you for watching my videos. Bye bye.